Here is the most expensive electric car that you can buy in India soon. The luxury car maker Porsche launches its first all-electric car Taycan in India. Porsche's earlier plan was to launch the vehicle in India in the mid of 2020. There are three variants for the car. They are Taycan 4S, Taycan Turbo and Taycan Turbo S. The entry-level car Taycan 4S costs 103,800 US dollars. It is approximately 77 lakh Indian rupees. It is the cost of the car in Europe. In India, it costs more. Keep watching the video until the end to know how much it costs in India. The other variants of the car, Taycan Turbo costs 150,900 US dollars. It's approximately equal to 1.13 crores Indian rupees. And Taycan Turbo S costs 185,000 US dollars. That is approximately equal to 1.38 crores. Do you know which the most expensive electric car in the world is? If you don't, check out the comment section of this video. The Taycan Turbo S travels around 388 to 412 km in a single charge of the battery. Two permanent magnet synchronous motors are installed in the vehicle. It makes the vehicle to have superior driving dynamics and all-wheel drive feature. The Porsche Taycan uses an 800-volt battery technology instead of the usual 400 volts. It drastically improves its charging and driving performances. In 5 minutes, the vehicle can be charged to enable a range of up to 100 kilometers. The vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Porsche Taycan has an automatically switching two-speed transmission on the rear axle. It ensures high acceleration for the vehicle at low speeds. The vehicle travels at a top speed of 260 km per hour. The intelligently controlled braking system helps out to regenerate around 90% of the braking energy. It is called Porsche Recuperation Management (PRM). Before checking out the approximate price of the vehicle in India, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish interesting videos about electric vehicles. The cost of the car in India would be around 2.5 times the price in Europe. The duty for luxury vehicles imported to India makes it around 2.61 crores for the base model, and higher end models cost more than 3.5 crores. The director of Porsche India confirmed that the vehicle would come to India even though the duty is high. Unlike Tesla, Porsche is not a volume chaser. It focuses only on the people who are capable to buy the vehicle even though the total sales are less. We have interesting videos about the top 5 electric cars in India and the most affordable electric car in India. Don't forget to check them out. The links are there in the description and the end screen of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos, and if you like this video, please tap the like button.